Kling O1 is here.
AI video editing is here. Kling O1 is insane. The video you just watched was AI generated using Kling O1 on Higgsfield. Kling O1 lets you generate, restyle, modify, and even extend videos from one prompt. On today's video, I'm going to show you 3 mind-blowing things you can do with the Kling O1 model. 1. How to generate mind-blowing POV and FPV shots. 2. How to integrate products, celebrities, or characters into your scene. And thirdly, how to change the scenes, that is AI video editing. And I have a cheat code for you on how to get the best prompts. Let's get straight into it. The link to Kling O1 is in the description box. Click it and it opens up like this. I love to use the Higgsfield platform because it's the most affordable. I'm going to go over here and paste my prompts. You can see it. This is a FPV, that is a personal point of view shot, okay? You go over here and select Kling O1 video, select it from the drop down. You select your duration of 10 seconds and then we hit generate. Now that generation is complete, let's look at it. So this video is amazing. Looks like we are inside the spaceship, okay? Now I'm going to show you how to integrate characters and products into your video. First off, you're going to integrate a character. That's Keanu, how we saw in my opening video. Opening here, we're going to select elements on the Higgsfield platform. We're going to go over here and upload an image. I'm going to start off first by uploading my own image. So I've uploaded my image and it's going to be tagged as 1. Then I'm going to add the image of Keanu next. We've added both images and now we're going to go to the prompting. Now the way you write your prompts is very important, okay? Since I uploaded my image as image 1, I'm going to write it here at image 1. So you're going to reference the images that you have uploaded with numberings like at image 1, at image 2 for Keanu Reeves. I'm going to paste my prompt. Right. And then we're going to click generate. And for products as well, for example, in this case that I integrated a bag, Jane design bag, is the same process. You add your image and then you add the product image, either if it's a bag or whatever thing you want to do, and making sure that in your prompting you are giving it the right reference name at image 1, at image 2, and you just run or generate the video. Now I'm going to show you both generations, the one with Keanu Reeves and also the one with the bag. And when we come back, we'll go into video editing using Kling O1. Now let's go to video editing using this Kling O1 platform on Higgsfield. And to be very honest with you, this was the most amazing of them. Back on the Higgsfield platform, selecting Kling, we're going to go over and select edit mode. You can click edit mode here or click edit video up here. So I'm going to click that. And now we are in the video editing interface. We're going to click over here and upload a video. Now we are going to upload the video of our time lapse. That is the POV shots that we did the last time, okay? It's going to take some time to upload. Then right here, you can upload images or elements you want to add to the video or elements you want to replace in the video. I'm going to show you all that. So now that we have uploaded this our POV shots, now I want to change the background. I don't want it to be this flossy greenery that is passing over. I want it to be a water image, all right? Like underwater scene. So I'm going to right click here and I'm going to paste my prompt. My prompt just says replace the hyper speed dive shot to a deep underwater world. You're going to click unlimited because for Higgsfield Ultimate accounts, they have free generations to use the Kling O1 platform. I think that's amazing. And then go over here and click generate. So I'm going to do the same thing here with this clip of me with the elephant. Okay, so I'm going to select that clip of me with the elephant. Now I want it to replace the elephant in the scene with Zendaya. So I'm going to upload an image here of Zendaya. So I'll just say replace elephant in arts video 1, it even comes up. See, it just comes out with image 1, and that's all. And then you just click generate. As this is generating, let me give you the cheat code to get the best prompt to use on the Kling O1 platform. To get this prompt, we are going to be using Grok AI. And once you open Grok AI, you type in this prompt: show me the most trending viral prompt for a new AI video model, Kling O1. And then you run it. Now, because Grok is affiliated to Twitter, it's going to search through Twitter and give you the best prompts. All the prompts I'm going to use today, they are going to be in the description box. But for you to access it, subscribe to the channel. This was so mind-blowing, and the use cases are amazing. You can do so much with this particular use case. Okay, I think Kling O1 is the only platform where you can feed in a full video and it can edit that full video you've uploaded. I think that is extremely mind-blowing. Okay, so use your Grok prompt for discovery, use your multi-image references for stronger consistency, refeed your Kling videos into the platform and get even more from your videos. There are also some things I did not try here, which is the start and the end frame, the content removal, the frames to video. You can also go and try those ones on yourself. These are fantastic honorable mentions of what you can do on the Kling O1 platform. So guys, that is it for this video. But before I end the video, I'm going to tell you some drawbacks of this Kling O1 platform. Number 1, it does not generate any sound and it does not lip sync your characters. So your videos are going to be generated plain without any audio. You have to do your audio design and your lip syncing yourself, and you can do those using different platforms, and I have videos on how to lip sync up here. You can click that to watch it. Also, it is a new platform, so you are going to be doing some generations that are not going to come out the way you want. So you have to do multiple generations to get exactly what you want to see. So there's a lot of trial and error that you have to do to get what you want to get. But overall, it's amazing, and I loved all my generations today. And I love the fact that I could play with characters easily and it was unrestricted. So guys, that's the video for today. If you learned something, of course, subscribe to the channel and tell me down below what other videos you like to see. So Kling O1 is amazing. I think you should go and try it out on the Higgsfield platform. I'll see you guys on another video. Bye.